Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the exercise 14.2 of class 6, that is practical geometry. Now let's take the question number second first, that is construct a line segment of length 5.6 using ruler and compasses. That means we have to use ruler, and with the help of ruler and compass we have to construct a line segment. You know that line segment having length of 5.6 centimeter. So if you want to construct a line segment of 5.6 centimeter, first draw a line. Suppose we just draw a line. This is line. Now this line has a name L. We have given the name L. So took any point that from that point you want to start your line segment. That means line segment have a definite length. So if I've taken the point this, now on the line L I have taken a point A. That means from this point I have to draw a line segment which is having length of 5.6 centimeter. Now with the help of compass, put the needle of compass at 0, and we are putting it on 0, yes, and open the compass for 5.6 centimeter. So 5.6 centimeter will be up to here. Now this will be the length of 5.6 centimeter. This will be the length of 5.6 centimeter. Now put the needle of compass at a point A and just simply cut. Here where you are getting the point of intersection, this point of intersection have given the name B. Now we can say that if you measure the point A and B, this will be the line segment. Now we'll say that this is a line segment of AB having length of 5.6 centimeter. That means if you measure from the scale, from the ruler, so you will find out that this AB having length of 5.6 centimeter. This and the rest of the construction part you can easily write in your own language too. The steps which you have done, that only you have to write. Now come to the next question, that is given AB of length 3.9 centimeter. Construct PQ such that the length of PQ is twice that of AB. Verify the measurement. First, it is given that in the question you have to draw a line AB. That means simply we just draw a line AB. Now with the help of ruler we draw a line AB that is having 3.9 centimeter. Now this is a line segment AB. It is having a length of 3.9 centimeter. Now what we have to do, that we have to construct a PQ such that the length of PQ is twice that of AB. That means we have to construct a line segment PQ which should be twice of AB. So first took a line. We'll just draw a line. Suppose we have draw something should be bigger. Now this is a line L. On a line L we took a point. We have to find out the line segment PQ. We took a point P. So from this point we'll start constructing line segment of PQ. So I have taken the point P here. Now what we have to do, we have to construct a line segment PQ which should be twice of AB. So just simply put the needle of compass at a point A till point B. So this will be the length of PQ, but we want this will be the length of AB, but we want to construct PQ, line segment PQ, which should be twice of. So we'll cut one more time. See, and this second point of intersection will be Q. So this line segment PQ will be the twice of AB. Now we have to verify a measurement. So first we have to see that if you observe, suppose this point of intersection have given the name O. So if you want to verify this measurement, first with the help of ruler you also can check, but you have to verify the measurement. So as we know that PO, it is having length of 3.9 centimeter, and OQ, that will also have a length of 3.9 centimeter. So now by the verification we can say that the length of AB, sorry it's not working, so the length of AB, given the length of AB is 3.9 centimeter. Now we have to say that what is PQ? PQ is equals to, it will be PO plus OQ. PO plus OQ, so what is the value of PO? It is 3.9, and OQ, that is also 3.9. so if you add both the numbers, it will be 7.8, which is twice of line segment AB. This is a verification for the measurement. Now come to the next question. That is quite easy question, that this question only is given for you just to use proper use of ruler, how to properly use the ruler. So in the question it says that draw a line segment of length 7.3 centimeter using ruler. That means whenever you want to use the ruler, you just have to start from this is the initial point. Now see, this 0 is the initial point. If you want to measure anything from this point, if you want to, suppose I have it is said that draw a line segment of 6.5. so 6.5, that means what, we have to start from 0 till 6.5. that means this is 6, and the half of in between 6 and 5, 6 and 7, this will be the 0.5, so it will be 6.5. so if you want to draw the line segment of length 7.3 centimeter, so first put the needle, so we'll start from this point 0 till 7.3. so this is 7, and these small numbers are 7.1, 2 and 3. so till here it will be. Now easily draw the line with the help of ruler. We can say that, suppose we have given the name of this line segment, that is AB. so if you have given the name, so it will be AB line segment having length of 7.3 centimeter. This will be our answer. It depends on you how you draw, and the rest of the part, that is the construction part, you have to write in your own words.